Today, super excited, guy. How are you doing? Good afternoon, good morning. You guys are ready here already. Looking forward to an explosive time with Coach. Thank you so much, EK. Olawumi says, good afternoon. Vivian, good afternoon. Guys, good afternoon, guys. Hello, 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 hello. Ibukun Victor, how are you, sir? Adebayo Aziz, boss of boss. Good afternoon, sirs. So how's the week been? How many trade have you taken this week? How many trade have you lost this week? How many trade have you taken this week? Adeolu Adeyinka, good afternoon, my brother. How is it going? Great, 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 great. Razak Kazan, good afternoon, bros. Let's get to work. What are you seeing in the market? CAD has been showing weakness on the board and is buying. NZD has been weak. We stick to it that is weak. NZD. USD has been bullish, and that's the reason why Bitcoin is selling, Ethereum is selling. So until they break this zone, we can't decide. So DXY is bullish. Swiss francs is in a decision zone. Either we reject or we go up. We have to wait for it. GBP is selling. GBP is selling. AXY is also selling. So if AXY is selling, GBP is selling, what's Euro doing? What's Euro doing? Euro 2 is weak, which is selling. So nothing really, just go in alignment. USD is bullish, every other one is selling. Sell. Adebayo Aziz says, gold is showing me shege this week. Gold Mafian. Okpemipo. Mr. Mayowa, good day. Good day, my brother. Ibukun says, yes, boss, I have totally reduced my trading volume, only 5 trades this week. Now waiting for this Wednesday to trade your divine setup. Thank you so much, Mr. Ibukun. You have to reduce your trading volume because it gives you exposure to potentially lose more. I've only taken Euro JPY this week and it hit stop loss. I lost the trade. So, and I was expecting volume other way around. So I'll wait for other confirmations and I should. So if you don't reduce your trade, last week I only picked 3 trades. Gold sold off, NZD sold off, bought, massive profit. So it's not a must you do too many volume because sometimes you win some, you now lose many. So it doesn't make profit to remain. And if profit have to remain, you have to be very, very deliberate to catch those moves that will give you the money. So it's very good you stick to what is clear. You will enjoy it. So what's our direction for USD pairs? We said USD is strong, guys. Type that in the comment box. Let me be sure you guys got that. USD is strong, NZD is weak, GBP is weak, AUD is weak. Afolabi Ayola, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, my brother. Yes, so you just need to um, trade in the alignment of this pair for the week and for the month. So if you check the chart, you realize that they are selling more starting from the beginning of the month. So anything you do is against it. It's against it. So if you are not careful, if you now say you see buy on Euro USD and you buy, you're going to eventually lose the trade. Not because your technical analysis is wrong, but because the volume is saying otherwise. The volume is saying otherwise. So if the volume is saying otherwise, you have to trade in alignment with the volume. You have to trade alignment with the volume. Yes, yes, I've told you since the beginning of the month that we are selling Euro USD. Gold too will be selling if USD is weak. If USD is strong, gold will be selling. Euro JPY, Sulaiman said, I bought but was stopped out. Yes, same with me too. Same with me too. So what pair do you guys want us to start with today? What pair do you guys want us to start with today? Order Celestine, good day. Yeah, good day. I sold gold at 1897, was stopped out at 1903. Okay. What of DXY? What of DXY? I hope he's bullish. DXY is bullish. Afolabi GBP USD. Folusha says GBP USD. Ots says GBP USD. DXY is bullish. So if GBP is weak and DXY is strong, what would be the bias? What would be the bias? What will be the bias for Afolabi? Downward, sell, fantastic. So that's just it. So let's now go to our chart and trade what we've all agreed now. So this is the journey. Let's go to so there is a monthly demand here. There is a high here. Weekly. So this is a weekly flip zone. So I'll be expecting to buy from here. But right now, daily. So last night, this was the entry I dropped in the community last night. So we are still bearish on this. So if I can get a retracement back to the top, we can do business either on these two levels. Okay, either on these two levels. So it's just simple. Don't fight against them. So this will be my bias for either of the two zones. I'll be looking to sell. So I'll drop that on the group for you guys. Is that clear? There's a Telegram group, so I'll drop it there for you guys. So, sir, I thought GBP is strong according to the COT report. So, GBP is strong according to COT report, but it is weak with USD, Pro FX. So, GBP will be strong with NZD. It will be strong with every other pair, but it's going to be weak against USD. That a pair is strong does not mean it will be strong across board. Is that clear, Prof? X? John Okocha, thank you so much. Good afternoon, boss. Thank you so much for the opportunity you gave me and my generation. I came to understand basic of Forex before I thought you will enter 2 times on a trade. Please, sir, we have trail on Mobile. You can imagine. Okay, let's do gold. Good day, house. Tony Code, thanks for the last time. Sir, USD JPY. Okay. Gold is buying massively. Trophy, smiling. USD is strong. Which group? That's our Telegram group. We have a Telegram group. Gold should still sell. You can't buy USD. Don't buy, don't say buy because candle is forming. You guys, I don't know who brought us to this place. Oh. Because of candle is going up does not mean a pair is buying or a pair will buy. Have you not seen when a long candle will go up and the same long candle that will go up will come down back? Hmm? So don't say because you see two candle going up, you say it's going up. Going up is, I don't know, yeah, it's relative. So have you not seen where rain will gather? The cloud will do everything and it will not fall. It will go back to sun. So it's the same thing on chat, my friend. My friend is laughing at you people here. He is a prophet. He will share you prophecy. Me, I will share him. I used to share him Forex market. Oh God of heaven. Oh God. So if you are not on the Telegram group, you are missing out. I'll drop it there. I've dropped GBP USD there right now. If you have seen it, click on the love button there. So that's what we'll do for the retracement. We have to wait for that retracement to come up. Okay. Uh, Hot G says it happened twice. Big long candle, then went back massively. Yeah, it's because the big boys are the one that control the market. Okay. Pro FX, drop the Forex, the Telegram link for everyone to join. So we are done with GU. What other pair do you guys want us to drop to analyze? If you have seen the GU, click on if you have, click on the love button if you can see the GU. Fantastic. So you just wait for the retracement. If the big boys are selling, sell. If the big boys are buying, buy. Anything they do, do. No on your technical analysis does not matter. Your technical analysis does not matter. Okay. Which other pair do you guys want us to do? We have just a few minutes more. Okay. But sir, how do we check the strength of each pair? Micro data, microeconomics, COT reports, index. Those are the things you will use. The more you master index, the more you master COT, the more you master all of these off charts analysis, the more you get better. Don't forget that what is happening is that they are using data to, they are using Facebook, sorry, they are using the chart to manipulate us. That's what they are doing. The real traders don't use chart. The big boys don't use chart. They actually trade pure price. They trade pure price, like real economics, real buy and sell, supply and demand. So there is we retailers that have candlestick. So that's why candlesticks, some people use uh, what's the name of these candles? Some people use line chart. Some people use what's the name of this other candle? Ekinashi. Some people use aloe candle. Some people use steps. Some people use line with markers. You know, line with markers. So you are the one to say to yourself, all these people, they are tricking, they will trick me. Just let me understand where the data is going, you know. So that's where the main work is. There are some people, they don't trade, they just trade different things they understand. Okay, EK says, Coach, thank you for last week webinar on institutional entry strategy. It has indeed changed my approach to the markets. Looking forward to part two. Yes, we'll do part two soon. So Oji says, sir, does it make sense waiting for US section before picking trades? Yes, if you are a US trader, trade US session. That means if you are trading USD pairs, go and check back test till the past 10 years. USD pairs will only move during USD session. It's not this thing. That's the secret. Yep. There's a lot of volume in sessions. So if you want to make money consistently, trade in the session. Trade in the session. What other pair should we do this evening and this afternoon? We've done GU. Somebody said we should do UJ. Another person should say we should work on GJ. Okay. Follower says GJ. Suleiman says EJ. EK says GJ. So let's go do GJ. Okay, I second GJ. So since all of you are doing GJ, let's go and do GJ. So GJ is bullish. I am bullish. So two things will happen here. You need to take a decision around this zone. Anything in this box, I'll look for a buy. Well, I can't sell. But sir, these two candles mean sell now. This is a evening star candle. You are very correct. Okay, so you are very correct, especially when you understand, when you say that this is a supply zone. But can I be sincere with you? This is a bigger picture. This guy should come above because this is low, high, higher, low, higher, high. So it should give us a higher high somewhere here. That's where it should get to. So there's still a lot of rooms to that place. So anything that happened is just a short retracement. Because I know there's a school of thought that would say that this is a good time. Once it comes down here, they will look for a retracement. But the truth is, from my experience, you will do the same thing, something they did here. So it's possible it breaks down to this place, we'll buy, or it breaks on this demand, gives us confirmation, and we'll buy. I'm not going to sell. I'm not going to sell. Data says JPY is weak, so I won't sell. All this is a trap. So if you have your confirmation, you can look for your confirmation entry, anything inside this place or anything inside this place. I don't have a lower time frame entry yet. I only have lower time frame entries when the market gets to my location. But I'm not selling. I'm not selling. So I've dropped GJ also in the group. Elaborate on JPY index. JPY index is weak. No, I found that USD JPY plays opposite to USD JPY. I don't get. That's repetitive. Abegunde Ayomide says, great job, boss. Please analyze US 30. We don't have a lot of US 30 traders here. Probably covering the JPY index should tell us more about JPY pairs. Yes. Still bullish even after today's fall. Wow. Yeah, that's it. Gold is falling already. You got this. You guys don't know. Guy. Let's check gold. There was an entry set up here on 30 minutes. There was the entry set up here on 30 minutes. This guy went up, dropped, went up, broke, went up, and came down back here. So there was entry set up. I don't like to trade against the trend. It will be bad habit. And bad habit will give you any money you make through bad habit, you lose it to bad habit. Any money you make through bad habits, you lose it to bad habit. Because why will USD JPY? I'm still bullish on it, but it's yet to get to my reversal zone, so I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish. So gold is going up. That's fine, but let's wait for it. There's irregularity in the market right now. Pure irregularity. Like pure, it's just pure irregularity. So don't be carried away. Okay, guys. Have I helped you today, guys? Have I helped you today? Have I contributed to you today? Fantastic. Any other pair you guys want us to work on? So I'm having a webinar on crypto this Saturday. How I caught 14,000% on Axie Infinity. That means how $100 turned to $14,000. So you don't want to miss it on Friday. Tell your friend, tell your enemy, because if your enemy is making money, they will not disturb you. So it's a free webinar, but you have to get to be in that group. Okay? So you can chat up with the admin if you want to be in the crypto group. So how I caught 14,000% on Axie Infinity. So it's going to be happening this Saturday by 7:30 West African time. It should be 7 p.m., but I have a session with my mentor. So I don't joke with mentor session. It's a free webinar. You want to make sure you are there. I'll be sharing with you some amazing talk points. Since last year, I've told people to stop buying Bitcoin because I said it was going to start selling. And people felt that Mr. Mayowa, he knows too much. He's too this. So a year after now, he's selling. They're not telling me when is it the right time to buy. So the right time to buy is coming now. So you have to position if you are into business, you want to also know how to make more money as a business owner, make sure chat up with the admin to add you in the business group, money and business group. They will add you. They are free groups. They are free groups. So they are free groups. So those are my two webinars this week. I'll be teaching 7 ways to achieve prosperity with money. Okay, money and business webinar. So there's a group for that. If you're interested, reach out to the admin. She will add you. That one is on Friday, 7:30 p.m. Don't miss it for any reason. Then the one by Friday, how I caught 14,000% on Axie Infinity. Those are the 2 trainings I have this week for some people who are in those groups. So if you want such training, reach out to the admin now. Chat up with the admin. She will add you to the group. So Tony says, is the BRICS Summit affecting JPY? It's possible, but it's possible. I've not been able to do any analysis on that. This guy is saying US 30. What do you want to do on US 30? Let's check it for him. I'm not a US 30 person. That's what my junior brother trades, though. There could be a possible reversal on this zone or on this zone, either of the two. But I won't sell. Either on this zone. So this will be my US 30 analysis. Here, I'll buy here or I'll buy here. That's US 30 analysis. But no selling. No selling. I've dropped US 30 on the group too. I've dropped US 30 for you. No selling. Look for opportunity to buy. Abegunde Ayomide. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys again tomorrow where we analyze cryptocurrency, 2 p.m. same time. And by the way, we are splitting the YouTube group to 2. We are opening the second channel. We are rebranding the YouTube channels that we have so that the financial market audience will remain on one and the money and business people will remain on one channel. We don't want to model up the group, the 2 channels. Okay, that'll be all for today. Do have a great evening. If you have not read my 7 battles every trader must fight and win, I don't know what you are looking for. You have $5,000 in your account. You have $200 in your account. You have not read the battles you must conquer before you grow the money. I don't know what you are doing. Okay? So I don't know. Don't know. You either learn from people's mistake or you learn from your own mistake. So deliver yourself, reach out to Bukola, get the books, read them, and apply them. Okay? Vivian says, Sir, you are really one of a kind. God bless you, sir, for your time. You're welcome, Vivian. Thank you so much. So take your time to read the 7 battles. 7 battles, financial market code. Go and read those 3 books. I poured out my mind, my heart in those books. They will deliver you forever. Not some, forever. Forever. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow during the crypto session. Talk to you soon.